Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is all about the doll a week that I am doing until I run out of dolls. So I actually started doing this series when my sister started. I kind of had to copy her. She's doing a doll a day, and this past week she did a special doll, and I have that doll, so that's what my doll is all about this week. Malabar. Now, Tammy's doll is Malibu, and I'll leave a link down in the description box below so you can go check out what she says about Malibu. But when she purchased Malibu, I fell in love with that doll, and I had to have me one. So I got this one, and I named her Malabar, which is actually a town in Florida. It's a town that is in the southernmost part of the county that I grew up. But anyway, isn't she cute? I just love this doll. She has a personality, that is for sure. But she's your standard AliExpress Blythe doll. Let me show you her eyes. We have the side-facing gray, which I really like those eyes. And then we have the blue. Those are really pretty too. And then we have the kind of a brownish orange. Sometimes these are like really orange like that's orange. And sometimes they're really, really brown. This is a little bit kind of a brownie orange. And then we got the pink. Don't like those too much. I'm going to put them back on the side facing gray because that's what I like. I do have her hair all done in braids. Lately, I've been really into braids because these girls have some ridiculously long hair, and just braiding their hair keeps it from getting all tangled and matted. She's got a little dress on that my sister made for her, and of course has a little Volkswagen bus on it. Our family, we traveled a lot in our Volkswagen bus while we were growing up. It was red. But this is my doll for the doll of the week. Probably, I would have to say, maybe my favorite Blythe doll. Well, at least of the fakies. I know after Tammy bought her Malibu doll, there was a lot of us that got on the bandwagon and bought a Malibu. So let me know down in the comment section below if you were one of those, like me, that you had to have a Malibu. And if you did get one, what did you name her? Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.